What's up, guys? Alright, so we're starting off today with we got a new downpipe for the Mustang right there, and I'm getting ready for this meet that I have planned. I have a huge meet happening on August 26th. What's up, guys? We're at our East Coast car meet right now, pop-up meet, first one in Caesars Bay in New York, in Brooklyn, and I just want to make sure that my car is representing me and that you guys have something nice to see. So yeah, right now I'm getting the parts to go put this on, so I'm gonna do a full build video today. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Right now I'm at Harbor Freight. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, let me get all the parts for it. Okay. I'm definitely gonna need a jack. How big though? Don't know if. Alright, definitely 2 ton, 2.5 ton, 3 ton. Or should I get a ramp? No, I'm fine. Yeah.
You need anything, just give us a shot.
No problem. Okay, we got a cart. No. We got the ramp set. Time for the next one. Okay. Got the wrong socket set. Got the 1/2 inch, you need a 3/8 drive. So, not so far. Let's keep looking. Take this too. Okay. I don't think I'll be needing anything else, guys. Let's get outside. Alright, guys. We're done with all the shopping. Got all the parts. All the stuff I'm gonna need. Yeah, downpipe's in the back of my car. I'm gonna have all the parts back there. I'm gonna go in a parking lot and we're gonna get this done. Gotta stack everything inside my car. Have that there. Okay, now we gotta open this. Seems about good. Yeah, seems about good. The other one. Put that here. I think that's pretty good. Let's get this lined up. Okay. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let the engine and the rest of the exhaust cool itself because it's hot and it's not going to be fun if I touch any hot pipes today. So, my engine. That's hot. Okay. Down here, just gotta wait for these to cool down. We got 202s there. I take off the gasket, the bracket, and then we have under the car. We have this pipe here. Just letting the car cool itself a little bit. And that'll be great. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get started with just the easiest part. So I bought the O2 sensor socket, and I gotta open this. So alright guys, so this is what one of these would look like. Essentially it should go down there. I can feel right now the engine is still a little bit hot, but I don't want to touch anything other than trying to fit it, and yeah, that'd be a perfect fit. So what I'm putting, when your exhaust is hot, your engine is hot, you should always have a spray bottle of water. Spray on it just so the water can evaporate and cool it down. It's essentially how sweat works, like how my body's doing right now. Yeah, it would cool it down. Obviously me, I'm in a little bit of a crunch right now, so I don't have a bottle and I don't have water. So I'm gonna have to wait for it to cool down an old-fashioned way, which is just cooling down. Yeah. Okay. So now that the engine's a little bit cooler, so first thing you're gonna do, we have O2 plug here. If you lead it up there, it goes into that maroon plug right there. You want to unplug that so that you'll have no restriction when coming down. So I'll do that right now. Alright guys, yeah, so take off the O2 sensor. Got that off there. So first step already done. Alright guys, so after you get the O2 sensor off, now you gotta take off the turbo bolts for the bracket. Alright, so there's gonna be two for there. I got one loose in there, and I got the other one right out. Alright guys, so after like a lot of time, I disconnected all the pipes. I got these off, got the exhaust hanger off, and I disconnected the O2 up there, so that it will be able to come freely off. There's my white pipe there, and now I guess take that off and just get the other downpipe and put it back in. Alright guys, just finished under the car. I got the stock downpipe out. Now I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna put them on here to bolt this one up. Alright guys, inaugural startup of Catless Mustang. What's up guys?